to all my Habiba Habibti around the world. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, as well as Facebook also and Instagram. I'm sorry I haven't been on Instagram lately, but support means so much to me. Thank you. As I said, I like to match my eye makeup with my hijab that I'm wearing. I will show you everything, all the lipstick that will match this look. I thought I will be wearing something brown because I haven't shared any pictures with you with the lipstick brown, and then I say I have to show you which color really suits that, because I know so many of you out there, like, you know, you have all preferences. Like some of you like dark red, some of you like brown, some of you like nude. That's why I'm wearing one nude. We try to show lesser because there's so many products that you don't get in Mauritius, so I will try to show as much days in Mauritius for you to help you out. So keep on watching, subscribe and click on the notification bell below to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Come and let me know what you think about it and which lipstick you love, because
I can see